Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys a DIY protein hair mask that will help to strengthen your hair as well as help maintain your overall health of your hair. If you're interested in this video, then please stay tuned. So on the screen right now, I'm just going to show you guys the ingredients that I have for this protein hair mask. First, we have extra dark Jamaican black castor oil. I also have a tablespoon of fenugreek powder as well as a tablespoon of amla powder. Then I have 2 capsules of MSM, 1 egg, 1 banana, 1 avocado, as well as some mayonnaise and some honey. So first I'm just going to prepare the mask by adding everything into a blender, and I'm just going to take half of the avocado just because this is a really large avocado. If you are working with a small avocado, then you can use the whole thing. Avocados contain a rich source of proteins, amino acids, and vitamins, which help to soothe the scalp and promotes long, strong, healthy hair growth. So now I'm going to just add half a banana. Depending on how long your hair is, you can add the whole banana, but I just need only half of it. And by adding bananas to this protein treatment, it helps add moisture as well as vitamins to the scalp. So now I'm just going to add 1 large scoop of mayonnaise, and mayonnaise helps to promote hair growth as well as reverse hair damage that can be caused by heat or coloring. And I'm going to add 1 egg, and eggs contain high amounts of protein, which helps with strengthening the hair as well as thickening hair follicles. Also, I added a scoop of honey, and then I'm just going to add about a teaspoon of extra dark Jamaican black castor oil. Next, I'm going to add a tablespoon of fenugreek powder and a tablespoon of amla powder. And fenugreek seeds contain a high level of protein, which are known to help combat dandruff as well as hair loss. And the last thing I'm going to be adding to this hair mask is going to be 2 capsules of MSM powder. And MSM powder is a sulfur that helps to extend the hair growth phase longer. So now that I have all my ingredients in the blender, I'm just going to blend everything together until I get a smooth consistency. And with this protein treatment, it helps to boost the hair with a variety of nutrients and proteins to help reconstruct and strengthen hair strands. Having protein-packed strands is an amazing way to maintain your overall hair health, and it keeps it in the best possible shape. So now I'm just going to apply the hair mask all over my hair. I'm only going to focus this on my ends just because that's the oldest part of my hair. Also, when it comes to your ends, that's the first place to get damaged when you are relaxing, or when you are color treating your hair, or when you are using a lot of heat. So I would just recommend focusing it on your ends just to repair your ends, and then also just leave it on your hair for about 30 minutes to an hour, and then rinse out and style your hair as usual. Also, I would suggest doing this protein treatment every 2 weeks, but if you have severely damaged ends, I would suggest doing it at least once a week.
What we do here is go back.
So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.